The tuna curry that we made, I divided the curry into 3 portions, so we're going to be doing one of the portions into tuna curry puffs. Before we start making the puffs, I'm heating the oven to 220 degrees. I've taken the puffs out of the deep freeze and I'm going to let them sit on the bench for 15 to 25 minutes so they can thaw out a little bit. And I've taken some grease-proof paper and just lined my baking trays. I'm using cheddar cheese and I'm just going to cut them into a few little chunks. I'm just cutting a 1 centimeter piece of cheese off the main block, which I'm going to be cutting up into 12 small pieces. I've got 1 small tomato, which I'm just going to be cutting into pieces as well. And now we're ready to assemble our puffs. And just transfer them to your baking trays. Once the oven has reached its correct temperature, now put the puffs in and bake them until golden brown. To get them to that golden stage is taking 23 minutes. Now you can take them out now, or if you like them a little bit darker, leave them in for another 3 or 4 minutes. When you take your trays out the oven, make sure you remember to put your oven mitts on so you don't burn. So I've taken them out of the oven, and there you have the most beautiful, golden, crispy tuna curry puffs. Thank you so much for watching.